Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside WhatsApp, open the three-dot menu in the top right and choose Settings. Once in Settings, go to Account, then Privacy to find Fingerprint Lock or Screen Lock. This path may vary slightly by Android versus iPhone. Make sure your phone is already unlocked and your fingerprint sensor is set up in System Settings, otherwise WhatsApp won't let you toggle the option. Now tap Fingerprint Lock to view the current state and prepare to disable it. You'll now disable the lock. Flip the fingerprint lock toggle to off. When prompted, authenticate with the registered fingerprint so WhatsApp knows you're authorized. Sometimes it asks for your phone PIN or pattern instead. Provide that when necessary. Once authenticated, WhatsApp will immediately remove the biometric requirement for opening the app. Make sure you check any secondary settings like automatically lock timing. Set that to never or a longer interval if you don't want frequent lock prompts. Finish by closing and reopening WhatsApp to verify it no longer asks for a fingerprint. If the lock still appears, restart your phone and try again. This often clears temporary permission glitches. If the issue persists, make sure WhatsApp is updated and clear the app cache in System Settings. This removes stale data that can cause UI hangups. Finally, ensure system biometric settings still show your fingerprint. If biometric security was removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.